During my free Spanish lectures on Discord about basic arithmetic, we came across with a very interesting topic. We were discussing integer operations when we talk about the division by zero. First, we have this definition for divisibility. It might seem a bit abstract and too formal, but it will help us to understand the concept. It says that for every two integers a and b, we say that a divides b, or that b is exactly divisible by a, if there exists an unique integer c such that the product a and c will give us b. Let's try to digest this concept a little further, and we are going to rewrite it with more symbols. So we say that a divides b if there exists an unique c such that the product a multiplied by c will give us our number b for divisibility. And we're gonna use it to understand why 0 can divide any number. So for any number x on the reals, or it can be an integer, it can be any number, we are going to suppose that 0 can divide this number, x. So, according to our definition, this implies that there exists a unique number, let's say y, such that the product 0 multiplied by y will give us our number x. But we know that 0 multiplied by any number will always give us 0. So we can't say that this is any number. This is where our definition of divisibility breaks up, and we can say that 0 divides any number. Personally, I think that this way of viewing the problem is very simple and easy to understand. So, hoping that you enjoyed it, I encourage you to keep the videos going by supporting the channel. I am actually making free math lectures in Spanish in our Discord. So if you'd like me to make the English series, and if you would like to participate during the videos, join our Discord community.